We are here at the launch of the latest offering from Jeep. This is the company's flagship. Yes, we are talking about the Grand Cherokee. It will also be the company's fourth product to be made in India after the Jeep Compass, Meridian and Wrangler, making it the only country producing 4 nameplates outside North America. After all, Jeep says the Grand Cherokee has been developed and engineered to deliver legendary capabilities, class-leading spaciousness and excellent safety, making this one a global icon in the luxury SUV segment. So now, let's take a closer look at this 5th generation model. Like all Jeep SUVs, the new Grand Cherokee also features the brand's typical 7-slot grille. This one's, however, a little slim and features LED headlamps on either side. There are LED daytime running lights that are integrated into the main headlamp cluster. Meanwhile, the LED fog lamps are mounted on the bumper. Jeep asserts that the all-new architecture and sculpted aerodynamic body style are combined to improve vehicle performance, safety and reliability. The Grand Cherokee brand debuted 30 years ago, and this one, despite being a modern take, it is a contemporary luxury SUV that borrows styling cues from its previous generations. To give you a perspective of the large proportions of the vehicle, here's a chart mentioning the dimensions of the SUV. We usually start off by being in the driver's seat, but now I'm here next to it. The reason being, this highlight, there's a touch screen dedicated for the passenger. This touchscreen has separate controls, and the interesting bit is that this screen isn't visible to the driver in order to not distract him. Other than that, the SUV also comes equipped with a 10.1 touchscreen infotainment system and a digital instrument cluster. In fact, the count on the number of screens inside has increased as the internal mirror also has a screen giving a view through the camera. The SUV is offered in a 5-seat configuration, and given its massive proportions, it's quite spacious inside. Then, the panoramic sunroof just adds to the delight. The fit, finish and quality of materials inside is top-notch and not just give a premium feel, but also make sure to provide a comfortable experience. And lest we forget, a humongous boot. Well, we shall detail all that in the review, but for now, let's give you a gist of the safety and convenience features. To start off, a panoramic sunroof, ventilated seats, a powered tailgate and a heads-up display. Yes, it's loaded with a host of equipment including ADAS or Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. Then there are multiple airbags and electronic stability control amongst others. Globally, the Jeep Grand Cherokee is offered with multiple engines and gearbox choices. However, this India spec model gets a 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine mated to an 8-speed automatic gearbox. It's a powerful engine producing 268 HP and 400 Nm of torque. And given the Jeep brand name and the off-road legacy, it also boasts the brand's Quadratrac 4-wheel drive system along with selectable terrain modes. Now we know about Jeep's off-road legacy, and now with the Grand Cherokee, the brand has kept the Go Anywhere legacy alive, but with more luxury appointments. Now for the pricing, it has been launched at an introductory ex-showroom price of Rs 77.5 lakh, putting it in the price bracket of other luxury SUVs. The good thing is that the Grand Cherokee is being assembled at Jeep's Ranjangaon plant in Pune, Maharashtra. Pre-bookings for the same are now open and the deliveries are expected to begin by the end of this month. One can book it online on the company's website or by visiting select Jeep dealerships across the country. If you liked our video, do give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification icon. Thanks for watching.